How to delete your Shein account permanently. Hey everybody! If you're also wondering how to delete your Shein account, in today's video we will be teaching you. So for that you may log into your Shein, access your Shein application and log in into your Shein account. And once you are there, once you are logged in, you need to navigate the account management section. For that, go to my account option or me in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, your profile opens up like this. So from here, locate up the gear icon. It is usually located in the top right corner. Tap on it, and once you open up your settings, you may look out for the option called manage my account. Tap on it, and once you are there, you can easily find an option called delete account within the options. You can look out for that option. If not delete, you can look out for cancel account or similar wording kind of options and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to the deletion page of your account. So wait for this page to load up and follow the prompts of the screen in order to delete your account. Sheen will likely guide you through the process in order to do so. So in order to delete your account, you need to require confirmation via your email or other verification process steps. So you can just go ahead and select one of the method, for example, ID verification or anything. You can look out for apply to delete account, tap on it, and once you do so, you will be you can just go ahead and confirm it. So it says if you want to delete your personal data, your account will also be deleted. We will say send a data deletion request link to your registered email or phone number. Click on OK, and you will be getting email on your phone number. I mean, an email where you will be getting an email to delete your Shein account permanently. You can just go ahead and confirm it, and that way you can just go ahead and confirm it and your account should be deleted directly, and that's it. So you may follow this method in order to do so. If you cannot find the deletion option, you can directly contact the customer service, but that is it. You may follow this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.